Nature in its purest form, unpolluted and untouched by modernity. Situated amid 150 acres of plantation, surrounded by tropical rainforest in the Western Ghats, Vythiri Resort is an eco-friendly resort that provides perfect bliss for nature lovers who seek complete serenity. Over the years, Vythiri Resort has been delivering unforgettable holiday experiences, preserving the nature around as pristine as possible. Taking cognizance of the COVID-19 pandemic that has swept the world, we have reopened for welcoming guests with new safety protocols that covers hygiene guidelines as well as precautions to be taken by guests and staff. The safe distances between the accommodation ensure natural isolation between guests inside the premises. Protocols include, but not limited to, checking temperature of all staff before entering duty, ensuring they wash hands with soap at regular intervals. All rooms are cleaned after checkout with proper safety precautions including dry fogging to sanitize areas that cannot be reached by human hand. All touch points are frequently sanitized. Rooms are sanitized again by dry fog before allotting to guests. All common areas and pathways are frequently sanitized. Temperature of all guests are checked and luggage sanitized before entering the premises. The vehicle used for internal transport is frequently sanitized. Ensured safe distances at all common areas including restaurant. Hand sanitizers are placed at all common areas and inside the cottages. All supplies are thoroughly washed and cleaned wherever possible before taken to the stores. We will leave no stone unturned to ensure a safe environment at Vythiri Resort for you and your loved ones. We look forward to welcoming you back to this original rainforest experience in the nature's abode at Vythiri Resort.